In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Jira board columns not mapping to workflow statuses. If your Jira board is showing issues in the wrong place or some statuses are not appearing in any column at all, this usually comes down to how the board columns are mapped to your workflow statuses. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix once you know where to look. First, open your Jira project and go to the board you're working with. From there, click the More menu, then open Board Settings, and select Columns. This is the area where Jira connects workflow statuses to the visual columns on your board. Take a moment to review the current setup so you can see which statuses are already assigned and whether anything looks out of place. Next, stay in the Columns section and look for any statuses listed under Unmapped Statuses. These are workflow statuses that exist, but are not currently connected to a board column. Drag each missing status into the correct column. For example, statuses like Open or Backlog would usually go into a To-Do column. Development and Testing would normally belong in Progress. Resolved and Closed would typically be mapped to Done. Once everything is in the right place, save your changes. If you're still not seeing the statuses you expect, go to Project Settings and select Workflows. Review the workflow being used by the project and confirm that all the statuses you need actually exist there. Sometimes the board is fine, but the workflow is missing a required status. If that's the case, add the missing statuses as needed. After that, go back to Board Settings and then Columns again. If you created any new workflow statuses, find them and drag them into the correct board column. Save the configuration so Jira can use the updated mapping. Now open one of the affected Jira issues and check its available transitions. This helps you confirm whether the issue can actually move to the status you expect. If a status exists but there is no transition leading to it, the issue may never reach that column properly. In that case, you'll need to update the workflow transitions. It's also important to verify your board filter settings. In Board Settings, open General and check the Saved Filter, or JQL. Make sure the filter includes the issues and statuses you need. If the filter is too limited, some issues may not appear on the board even if the column mapping is correct. Finally, return to the Jira board and refresh the page. Then try moving an issue between columns and confirm that the status updates correctly. If it does, your board and workflow are now properly aligned.